We're now going on to our final competitor. Last year, she made it to the finals and it was her first time on the First Citizens National Poetry Slam stage. Let's see if she can do it again in 2021. Show some love for Nia Thompson.
Oh, yeah. I just see a cockroach. I stamp it. It dead. But why does tiny island have so much of pests? One or two, you could set up for the kill. Bop, big on a slap trap to fill, but when they're numerous, like zombie stories on a moonless night is fret, cause they bring disease and death is so I afraid dengue. One time I sit down in a cloud of cockset, lung infection like COVID, still can't breathe good, yet cause what kills them hurts us. The Ministry of Health really says it best after they spray with harmful pesticides. Look, people, stop breeding the mosquitoes if you don't want to die. But it have real tiny mammals and insects out there. How one set is a pet and the other I afraid. Could the aesthetics of the fur contribute? Or we just don't like the way they move? Maybe our judgment is skewed on the matter because most animals classified as pests are black or brown in color. Either way, pests don't live in clean, well cared for space. Systems of human interference can cause spikes in the population of certain creatures. So when Trinis say all criminals are pests, I think, well, yes. We wonder why there's an infestation of nests. Miss, I didn't come because it had no water. Miss, bus didn't come that day and it had no car. But Miss had to go to work with my father. And no, the state provide most of the books, but I can't afford the rest, even if I could. Is a 10% chance the child go do good with no lessons, a 40% chance they unemployed with a master's. So it's best I rock back with some Nike sneakers. The greatest entrepreneurs have no formal schooling, but let's continue to pretend all parts of the system don't need fixing. Let's raise the exception to the rules on a pedestal and pretend we can all reach there if we just work hard. Let's dehumanize for profit. 16 hours a day, barely covering the bills pay, call people lazy. If they don't accept cause the immigrants taking it, let's act like a simple attitude change prevents gangs. It's not poverty based punishments for the audacity of being born average, then choosing a morsel of comfort over gains, not having the work ethic of a slave straying from the worn, crafted path to mediocrity, crisis in identity, depressing existential fatality that some lives mean nothing to we. Let's demand instant results from those that serve to protect, watch them spray. The place with bullets then be shook. Them pests there infect us after we've commissioned the slaughter, slap trapping of their sons and daughters. More pests go make. Cause this is the environment we create. It's just victims making victims, making victims. But it's we breeding the pests